Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Narwal app settings for the Narwal Freo Z Ultra. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the mobile app right here with our device already set up. We can currently see that it's at 100% charged, and we have a status letting us know it's not in the base station. Down below that, we can quickly go to our vacuum and mop settings there to initiate a clean. We can also view more tasks, and we can also select the product name to be taken into our device settings. So when Freo mode is turned on, the robot will intelligently adjust its cleaning strategy, so we can turn that on right there. We have our different rooms on our map, different floor types, everything laid out for us right here. Really neat. Then on the right hand side, we have multiple icons near the map, 3D view option for a 3D view of the map. Then you'll notice we have different map settings here, mono or color. What do you want to display? We can also get into our map editing settings from here. Next, you'll find we have the camera icon. We can go into a live video view with this device's cameras if you want to use this to monitor in real time around your house. Then we also have our dust bin settings here for our base station. So take a look at the options that we have here. So we can collect the dust. We can also dry and disinfect the dust bag. We have our mop pad washing and drying settings down below. We have our accessory usage here too with the breakdown of everything. And then we can manage our accessories in the top right hand corner. We can also select from the base station the settings there to be taken into all of our base station settings, where we can automatically add detergent, auto dustbin bag bacterial control. So we can do that to adjust those settings for air drying. Dust bag health index, drying intensity, base station default cleaning mode. You get the idea here. Smart temperature controlled mopping system, auto dust collection, always or smart, silent or strong for the dust collection mode. You have a lot of customization within the app. Further down, you'll notice the room and zoning options here. So we can do room by room clean or zone cleaning, drag and drop where you want around your house and add multiple zones for cleaning. Further down, we have our clean settings here. So here's floor maintenance, and they walk you through that option. Vacuum and mop, vacuum, then mop, vacuum, mop, or customize clean right there. And keep in mind, we do have the Freo mode on for each of these settings, but we can go ahead, we can toggle that off, and then we can manually adjust the mopping cycle, the humidity, so how wet do you want the mop pad, coverage precision. You get the idea. So we can adjust that for everything here. Further down, you'll notice we have the task section. We have our play button to initiate our clean, and we have our cleaning history. And then up in the top right-hand corner, we have our settings gear icon. This takes us to our device information, firmware info. Here's our Freo mode option, so you can customize that right here. Pick and choose as you see fit. Then we have our clean options. So return to mop washing strategy, pick and choose the area when you want it to go back. Wash mops by room even, you can toggle that on or off. General settings here, stairless mode, do not disturb, high altitude mode, child lock, family with pets, auto power off. A lot of great features here. Basically what's nice with that stairless mode, if you have larger thresholds in your house, that will help you cross some of those larger thresholds. And if you're in a high altitude environment, it will increase the fan power for better cleaning performance. Then we're back to our base station settings that we already looked at previously. You can access those right here from that settings gear icon. Map editing options here. So you have so many different ways to customize this map. Basically, you can adjust the rooms how you want. You can set up no-go zones. You can view your map list too. We can add up to 4 maps at a time, so it does support multi-level mapping. Then we have our manage accessories. This lets us know when it's time to do common maintenance, to swap out and replace parts and components. Language and voice options, AI obstacle avoidance, so you can turn on or off real photo if you want. That's really cool. I like that feature myself. So it'll identify obstacles and show you an actual photo of the obstacle. You have to activate the privacy policy though. And then obstacle avoidance strategy, smart or safety. Pick and choose which one you want. And then we have a help section and third-party controls. If you want to set this up with Google, Apple, or Amazon, you can do that right here within the app. So that's a quick look at all of your Narwal app settings.